Will there be a housing market crash in 2025? Here's the reason I think there will. Nope, there's no reason. I really don't think there's going to be a housing market crash in 2025. What I've noticed in the past is a lot of people out there who don't pay attention to the market and economics and things like that. They tend to panic whenever they see home prices at a high point, or at least what they feel is a high point. I think a lot of people are scarred from the 2007 crash when home prices were just really ridiculously high. And then all of a sudden, the floor fell out beneath everybody. And rightfully so, we should be worried about that happening again. However, not right now. Those circumstances were very different from what we're seeing in any market since then. The lending regulations were extremely questionable, and people were getting loans off of just stated income. Combine that with the fact that a lot of the loan programs were designed to have balloon payments and interest rate adjustments at a future date. Then, when all of those new interest rates, new payments become due, well, a lot of people who shouldn't have been qualified couldn't afford these homes, which created a huge economic crash. Today, we're not seeing any of that in the housing market. The industry is very well regulated right now, and people who are qualifying for homes genuinely do deserve to qualify for those homes. But when we zoom back and we look at the housing market from a bird's eye point of view, it's really easy to see that the lack of inventory is creating a shortage, which is leading to a supply and demand issue. That's really spearheading the charge of unaffordability in our residential real estate market today, and it just doesn't feel like it's going to let up fast enough for the market to crash. Best case scenario, the inventory levels start to rise and exceed the numbers that we need annually, therefore eliminating a lot of that stress of just not having inventory available in most areas. And then prices will start to adjust and come down to compensate for there being less buyer demand. Hope that helps make things clear, but I don't foresee any sort of major crash happening this year.